Oh, my dad's about to cook a seafood boil for catering. So we got some scallop and lobster tail and crab legs in here. Oh, mussels as well. We got some big shrimp. These shrimps are huge. Like, the camera's not even doing justice right now. They're so big. And then we also got some scallops. I'm so used to seeing the little scallops. We got some Bami. Now that I'm seeing the Bami, I wish I had like some steamed fish or something with it. And then we got some baby potatoes.
And the crab legs.
And we got, we're gonna do some fried chicken for our Sunday dinner.
So it's a different settings then, eh?
Yeah. The anniversary dinner for 2.
Oh, okay.
Like a nice.
So you put whole love tonight.
Yeah, man.
Some garlic and
The garlic shrimp style. Garlic shrimp and the lobster is gonna be the same flavor, the crab is gonna be different. Then I'm gonna do like some roast baby potatoes. Have a nice.
So you just switch on it, but you saw while I got this kind of. So I just preparation of going, you know. This night milk already? See, yeah. They have other ways of people sort this.
Some people soak.
Well, for me,
What?
2 best, isn't it? Maggie and Grace.
Yeah. We don't want no noodle night, brother.
So I know that there.
Yeah.
You just want the seasoning out there. All in one. So this now gonna be the regular.
Sure.
So this one now come up with a different vibe.
Yeah, when I buy start early this morning, the anniversary thing, so we're chewing some love tonight.
Holy love.
Yeah.
When that food done it.
And my complaint say, "Sir, it's finished." I get some more cooking. I just want to get it down to a softness. And I'm going to saute them up. Yeah. So you want this spicy, so I use your hot sauce knife. Can't put in it there now. Grab and mussels could swim. Probably that's why. Being a little bit explicit, but that's how you think go. You love it. Too bad, man. It's nice, just cover him up now, make him go and steam.
I did all of the hide already, you know, so I tell them to check back. So this is what is that, Maggie?
This is a Maggie. Jamaica this come from.
Is it just one season or more than one mix?
No, one Maggie.
Okay.
All purpose thing. So, garlic spray, garlic butter.
You know, say a garlic shrimp setting, so you don't know that coming up.
In there, go there. whole heap of things.
Get some story up, you know.
Sauce in there. Yeah, tell them everything on it right now. These are just garlic, pepper, and herbs. So you can take out.
Well, at least you not get the idea what I want.
Yeah, man. Build them up and then make it. Drop the shrimps, the shrimp again. Shrimp only take like 4 minutes to cook.
So no one cook it too much, you know.
They shrink and the shrimp gets small. So it's like a man going to swimming pool, you know, man, and same thing, shrink up. That when I get aggressive, them the shrimp in it.
Sure, see ya.
And I make
Because even them are not fair, them are well cooked neither, you know. You just want the flavor it kind of spread around the pot, you know. And then you just dash the shrimp and make the shrimp soak up in the same speed. So, good so far.
Yeah, if you fling on, you know, same thing in it, well.
Just pick a spice.
We need to go. This advanced steam. Aggressive, you know. Yeah. That can get shrimp. Here you are. The post quick tomato and orange.
On the size of them.
Bigger than my thumb. And my thumb them big. I got big thumbs.
Yeah, not even 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes.
Big like lobster.
You know, some time you get some food and the food nice and your belly full. But even though your belly full, like you still want to finish.
You smell it?
Just look good. You smell the food no? Or yourself. So they may cook just like that.
Yeah, that's the garlic, pepper, and herbs.
Make it focus, man.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And it's done now.
You know what I say? Already? Can't cook out the thing too much, you know?
Put the bottom on top of bottom. And to be honest, this done already.
Different pot.
That done already. Have a splash. Wow. Little bit of splash is okay, you know. Now I'm gonna do the potatoes now. Potatoes are gonna be cool. This seasoning is you can hardly see it, but it's something that goes nice with the potatoes. It's called roasted herb and red pepper. You don't need a lot. Let me shake them around.
catch it and move. You
Yeah. And it full of everything. So I want to get the stick.
see? You see that? I'm well night and that take the code stick out on the more guys. You know,
Can't take a week.
you know?
The body, aroma, you could smell that.
Seems nice.